I am a minimalist. I live below my means, but everyone wants to know what I spend my money on, so I'm going to tell you. As a minimalist, I'm a big believer in cutting out all the excess and really prioritizing my spending to the things that bring me the most joy, the things that I really want to do. Most people kind of do the opposite. They spend what little money they have on a variety of things. They go into debt trying to impress strangers, keep up with the Joneses. They would rather look rich than be rich. I'm kind of the opposite, where I'd rather cut out all the unnecessary things. You know, everyone goes, hey, life is short, you should do everything. No, you're going to end up with nothing. You're going to end up living a really long life, and you're going to have nothing to show for it except closets full of shit, and you're going to be a burden on everyone you know. I'm kind of the opposite, where it's like, hey, what if I live to be 100? I don't want to be a burden on anybody, but I also, what if I don't and I want to do the things that I like? So what are the things that I really like? I love to travel. We just went to Amsterdam. We try to go overseas at least once a year. I wanted to see Metallica in Mexico City. It was a childhood dream of mine. We did that a few years ago. We went to WrestleMania 40 in Philly, so another childhood dream to go to WrestleMania. We are huge foodies. Not only do we like to cook and buy like good high quality ingredients, but we like to go to like really fancy experience restaurants. We recently went to a Wagyu omakase restaurant here in DC. We got caviar, we got steak, we got uni, I mean, you don't even want to know what this dinner cost, but it was an experience thing. So we were happy to do it because we cut back on all the excess other things. We also like, you know, hole in the wall restaurants with like plastic dining room furniture, nothing fancy. You might walk in and go like, I don't know about this place. Those are some of my favorite restaurants. Some of the best meals that I've had are in those like divey, rundown kind of places. I'm a big gym guy. I've always been a big gym guy, but recently over the last year, I've lost almost 50 pounds. I know gyms aren't really necessarily expensive, but that's something that I love to do. I go to the gym almost every day. We are big horror movie fans in this house. We've seen basically every horror movie that you can imagine. We go on a lot of road trips. Sometimes we'll even go on a road trip because we heard about a restaurant. One of my favorite restaurants is called Ukiah. It's in Asheville, North Carolina. We try to go anytime we're down south, or we'll make a little detour, even if it's out of our way, to go there. I love cooking, and it's anything from like smash burgers and chicken wings to like, you know, carbonara and beef Wellington and pad thai and kung pao chicken. Like, I just love to cook. I am a lifelong professional wrestling fan, so I try to, you know, keep up with pro wrestling, although I've kind of lost interest somewhat recently. I just think that the company is going in a direction that it's kind of boring, uninspired, not really fresh or exciting anymore. And I know this is going to sound kind of silly, especially in this world where everyone hates work, and I hate work too. I don't like have a dream job. I don't dream of working, but I love what I do. I'm filming this at 9:50 on a Sunday night. As soon as I am done editing this video, which is another hobby of mine, this TikTok thing, I don't really do it for the money. As you know, if you follow me, I'm not here to make money off of this. I am the most unbroy, non-broy finance bro on the planet. I don't sell anything. I'm not here to make money. It's just a hobby. I love doing it. That's why I do it. But as soon as this video is posted, I'm going to get to work and start researching what stocks I want to trade tomorrow. I literally only work about an hour per week, so you could say I'm retired. But another thing I like, video games. I'm not a humongous video game player, but recently I bought Red Dead Redemption 2, and I think it's one of the best video games I've ever played. I'll go like 6 months without playing a video game, and then I get like that itch. I'm like, what's out there that I can play? And maybe a friend will recommend something, but Red Dead Redemption 2, I just finished, was a fantastic video game. I loved it. But I know it sounds silly, but I do love the stock market. I do love investing. I love trading stocks. I love making money. I think I'm probably one of the only people I know who looks forward to Monday. Everyone else is like, ugh, Monday, I have to go back to work. And I'm like, all right, what am I going to do? So that's about it, I think. I'm sure I'll think of more things that are of interest to me, my hobbies, a little bit later. But off the top of my head, that's what I got.